So let's answer another Google Ads query today. Should I keep my Google Ads campaign running? Okay, so average CPC is between $5 to $16. I started using maximized conversions and it would sometimes charge me $43. So I set it to manual CPC in the beginning with maximum CPC of $16. It usually charges about that for each click. So far I have spent $4.65. My CTR is about 12%. In the beginning I only had one ad group, but it had so little volume that now I have two, and the new one has a lot more volume. I'm using negative keywords to remove all bad keywords. I have good keywords that are also really targeted at what the user is searching. Headlines. Okay, so I assume headlines are also good. The ad has been running up for a month, but only like 1 week ago I added the second ad group where the real search volume is, and I have been getting most of my clicks and impressions since then. I feel like should I keep the ad running, but I'm not sure. I sell websites for $310 with a discount on it as well, which I added to Google Ads. Landing pages are also good and highly optimized. What do you think, Ali? I have now lowered my discount, so each sale will get me $620 instead. Okay, so as far as the pricing is concerned, first of all, the niche and then the pricing. Okay, niche, I'm going to write over so I do not forget. So the niche is extra competitive. Okay, website selling is very competitive in Google Ads. So if you're trying to run Google Ads for this, so it's a very competitive niche. So if you're coming over here, come with a big budget or at least a big patience with it. So it takes time to convert. So secondary, if you're seeing the pricing, you have doubled your pricing. You were selling at $310, but after now you're selling at $620 because the $310 was a discounted prices. So I need to see what your competitors are doing, and I think that are you focusing on all locations or specific locations? So my opinion is narrow down to those locations which have been performing well, or from those where you get your most customers. So my opinion is to go with this, and this can help you in optimizing sales and getting more out of it. So look for that, and this is how you can uh, tackle and understand your audience. Apart from locations, I think you need to give more time. Okay, more time. Okay, and you said that you have so far spent 465, so I will add another 500 again after optimizing my campaign to small locations, because you said that you now found an ad group which is real search volume is, and you have been getting most clicks. So I will also look for my keyword match type. I'm going to focus only on phrase or exact for now, with focus on search terms. So I keep on adding negative keywords in my campaign. So that is how my campaign remains optimized. So that this is the only way for me to have a look around. So if I look on all of these things, so I will run another week. And if your landing page is also good and highly optimized, I will also look for anti-fraud click, and then I will focus on small locations, I will focus on specific small locations, and then from that area I can even create customized or personalized ad. Maybe mention the area as well. Okay, you need to double think. I'm just giving an idea, but again you need to double think if that works well, and that is how you can grab the attention of your customer. And maybe you can add that flag in your landing page so to win the customer. So I'm just giving you an idea. So because if you're targeting large locations with this budget, this is not going to work well, so you need to narrow down your locations. So I'm just giving you an idea. This is how you can optimize. Also add newsletter on your website, so people who do not convert right now can get convert later on. Add social media pages as well, so you can show your designs later on to them, and then eventually they can turn around. So I think all of these things can help you in optimizing and getting more sales out of your Google Ads campaign. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. And if anyone needs a professional Google Ads audit management services, we are a full-fledged Google partner company, and we will love to help with you. So if you want our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. And if you and if again, for your question, should you keep running your Google Ads campaign for website selling? Yes, you need to give more time. And then if even if after adding another 5 minutes doesn't work well, we may need to look around on our campaign strategy structure, or our landing page, or our offer of $620, or this can help. Also, when you're creating your ads, add more ad assets. Ad assets plays a crucial role. So I'm going to show you. Now this is an ad with a lot of ad assets like advertiser rating, location, pricing, site links being added. So these kind of ads works well and brings more authenticity, trust in the user eye. So this can also help you in optimizing your ad. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. And yeah, if anyone needs a professional help, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.